In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in HubSpot like a pro. Let's dive in together and guide you through each step to ensure you're making the most of your HubSpot experience. First, open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This is your main gateway to a treasure trove of customer data, so it's important to start from the right place. Once you're logged in, look for CRM. This is the foundation of managing all your customer data, providing a seamless interface to view, manage, and interact with your contacts efficiently. Next, within CRM, click on Contacts. This will allow you to view all the records available in your database. It's like having a digital Rolodex where every bit of information regarding your customers is stored securely and organized for your convenience. To take a more refined approach, click on Newsletter Subscribers. By doing this, you're able to filter your contacts to show only those who have subscribed to your newsletters. This is essential for managing your email marketing efforts. Identifying these subscribers will help you tailor your communication strategies and enhance customer engagement. Additionally, by clicking on Unsubscribed, you'll be able to manage those who have opted out of your emails. This is crucial for ensuring compliance with email marketing standards. Not only does this practice honor your subscribers' preferences, but it also helps maintain the integrity of your mailing list. Now, the next filter is All Customers. This filter provides you with a refined list of individuals who have purchased from you. It allows you to gain a deeper understanding of who your paying customers are, their history, and their preferences. This insight can be invaluable as you craft more personalized and effective marketing strategies. Moving on to marketing contacts. This part specifically relates to those individuals with whom you have ongoing marketing interactions. Keeping tabs on these contacts will allow you to align your marketing efforts better and ensure that you're reaching out to the right audience with the right message. As you're exploring these options, you'll also notice the Create Contact button in the top right corner of your screen. This button opens up the potential to add new contacts, create new segment lists, or even start constructing workflows. It's these little additions that keep your CRM dynamic and in tune with your business's evolving needs. And that's all. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing contacts in HubSpot like a pro. Whether you're streamlining your email marketing or gaining insights from customer interactions, you're now equipped to handle it all with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy managing.